Three killed in early morning attack on Mullines Road. Truck driver shot dead in York Street, St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Three men are reportedly dead following an early morning attack along the Mullines Road near the Olympia Crown Hotel in St. Andrew. According to police reports, around 4:40 a.m., an Audi motor car with five occupants, including the driver, which was heading in the direction of Halfway Tree, was intercepted by two men on a motorbike. The men reportedly armed, one with a Glock pistol and the other with an M16 rifle, opened fire at the vehicle. The men on the motorcycle shot at the car, which hit the bike into a wall, according to a policeman on the scene who did not wish to be identified. It is understood that the bike men were killed on the impact and the driver of the Audi was later pronounced dead. A 26-year-old truck driver was shot and killed in his community of York Street District in Linstead, St. Catherine on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as Tyrone Harvey, also known as Naya. According to police reports, around 4:40 p.m., Harvey went to a section of the community to collect firewood when he was ambushed by two men, one of whom was armed. The gunman opened fire, hitting him multiple times. Harvey was taken to the Linstead Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for the killing.